Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel TechUp, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can get Minecraft cape on TikTok for free. To do so, you just have to log into your TikTok and watch the live stream for 3 minutes or so, but make sure you are watching the live stream before it's all gone because it is a limited time event. To do so, first of all, log into your TikTok and go onto your live option, and after going on to the live, you just need to search for Minecraft Live or Minecraft Live Cape. On the search box here, just search for Minecraft Live Cape. And after searching for it, hit on the search. And after clicking on search, you just need to go on to any kind of content creator that is doing live on Minecraft with the rewards option available for you to actually receive the reward. Here, there are all the videos that is going on. Just go on to your live, and after going on to live, you can just watch the stream or the live of any Minecraft creator that is on, and you just need to watch the live for 3 minutes. And after watching your live for 3 minutes, you'll be able to get the TikTok Cape limited edition on your Minecraft account. And that's how you can get a TikTok Cape on your Minecraft from your TikTok. This is for this video, and I hope you guys find that video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.